In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write blog posts on Shopify. We'll walk through the full process inside your Shopify admin so you can publish clear, search-friendly posts that look great on your storefront. Start by heading to shopify.com and clicking Login to open your admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel and select Content. From the drop-down menu, choose Blog Posts. This is your central place for managing everything related to your blog. To create something new, click Create Blog Post and a fresh editor will open. Begin with your title. Aim for something clear and compelling that tells readers exactly what they'll get. Keep it concise and include a main keyword if you have one. Next, add your content. Use the editor to write your article in a natural, helpful tone. Break up longer sections into short paragraphs and keep the focus on solving a reader's problem or sharing a specific insight. If you already have subheadings planned, weave them into your writing to make the post easy to scan. Below the content area, click the pencil icon to add an excerpt. This short summary appears in blog listing pages and some themes. Write 1 or 2 sentences that tease the value of the post and encourage the click. Now move to the search engine listing section and click the pencil icon to edit it. Add a page title that mirrors your main headline, a meta description that briefly explains the post in around 1 or 2 sentences, and a URL handle that's short, readable, and includes a keyword with words separated by hyphens. Adjust the visibility to control whether the post is published now, hidden, or scheduled for later. If you have a featured image ready, upload it so your post has a strong visual anchor. Choose something relevant and on brand. In the organization section, set the author name so your readers know who wrote the post. Then edit the blog and tags. Pick the blog this post belongs to if you have multiple, and add a few descriptive tags to help with internal organization and filtering. If your theme supports multiple layouts, edit the theme template to choose the one that fits your content best. Some templates emphasize large images, while others keep things more text-focused, so choose what matches your post. When everything looks good, click Save to commit your changes. That's it, you've created a polished blog post in Shopify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.